All right, you guys. Woohoo! Let's hit it again. Woohoo! Hold on. Woohoo! All right, so it's 11:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on New York time, and it is going into one more hour. It'll be midnight, so it's Friday. But just want to reward myself early, and so you can see that I have an account balance of 162,796.25. And they said I have a total withdrawal balance of $12,796, but I can withdraw $82.96. So why is that? All right. So I told you guys there is a cushion or a buffer when you, whatever your drawdown limit is, they want that to be stayed in the account as a buffer as you're continuing to trade. So let's take a look. 162,796.25 minus $8,296.25. Let's see what that equals. 154. See? So I started with 150K balance, and look what the extra is. 4,500 exactly on the nose. So if I subtract 150,000, there you go. So that's my drawdown limit, which is why I use bigger accounts, because I just enjoy the drawdown limit. I like making bigger profits, but that means I need a bigger drawdown limit so that I don't blow the account. That's all it is. So, you know, whether you have a 25K account, 50K account, doesn't really matter. But when it's time for withdrawal, they automatically calculate that in there. All right. So next, let's go and see this. How many days did it take me to reach that balance? 4 days. Okay. So I made $13,000 on this account in 4 days. Okay. So that's days traded, 4. Okay. First trading day was on the 21st. The last trading date, which is today, which is where they're calculating, and they do their calculations at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 11 p.m. Okay. 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when they do their calculations. So that's the reason why I'm doing it at 11:10 now. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the withdraw button. They're going to ask me. Now watch how this also works. Okay. Let's do just 8,200. Okay. Now look at this. Remember, it's an 80-20 split. 80-20 split. So 20% go to them. 80% go to me. So out of the amount total, I give them their share, which is only $1,640, and I get to take home for weekend money $6,560. So I'm gonna pop that request, and your withdrawal process is in progress. Okay, and that's it. And so I just wait, and that's it. Okay, so again, I just want to show you guys the process of how to withdraw, how easy it is. It's not that difficult. You know, they send the money over to whatever platform you use, whether it's PayPal or whatever. Okay. All right, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend.